So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in a farm both men and women are working and exactly one third of the staff brought one child each. And one day each male employee planted 13 trees and each woman employee planted 10 trees and each child planted 6 trees and the total number of these trees were planted on that day. Then we have to find out how many women employees were there in that farm. So there are some men, there are some women, and there are some children, and each planting some trees, some number of trees, and the total count is 159. If you count the planted trees, then we have to find out the how many women employees are there, and there are some condition is given. So let's say X is the number of men and Y is the number of women. So the total number of employee is X plus Y, and in the problem it is given that exactly one third of the staff brought one child each. So exactly one third of the total number of employee brought the one children each. So these are the number of children we have. So now we have the man's number, woman number, and children number, and we also know that men plant 13 trees, so each male plant 13 trees, and women plant like 10 trees, and child plant like 6 trees. We also know this. So this man plant 13 tree, each male, each woman plant 10 tree, and each children plant 6 tree. So if you count the total number of trees by all these people, so there are X number of men and each are planting 13 trees, Y number of women, each are planting 10 trees, and there are one third of X plus Y number of children and each are planting 6 trees, and this sum should be equal to the total number of trees like which is given in the problem is 159. So we are getting one algebraic equation. So what is this equation? It is 13x plus 10y plus 2 times x plus y is equal to 159. We have this. So now you see 2x plus 13x, it will become like 15x, and 10y plus 2y, it will become like 12y is 159. So you can divide by 2, divide by 3. So this will become like 5x plus 4y, and if you divide 159 by 3, it will come like 53. So now we have an algebraic equation to solve, and remember x are the men, y are the women. So we have to find the total number of women means y value, and one third of x plus y are children. So you see men and women and children, they are all humans, and these numbers are representing the how many men, women, and children are there. So these number cannot be fractions. So all of these must be integer. So we have to find the integral solution of these. So you are seeing we have to find only the integral solution of these, because men, women, and children cannot be an fraction. So there are how many possibilities of integral solution. So I am writing that like you see this possibility 1 comma 12. So if you put 1, it is become 5 plus 4 times 12 48. This sum is 53. So this is satisfying. Another you put 5 comma 7. So 5 times 5 plus 4 times 7. So it is 25 plus 28. It is 53. This is also there. You put 9 comma 2. 5 times 9 plus 4 comma 2. So it will become like 53. This is also there. So there are three possibilities. If you find any other, then you can comment. So there are these three possibilities of integral solution of these. And in this, you see one condition also there. This children must also be an integer. So one third of x plus y, this must also be an integer. So if you put x is 1 and y is 12, so it will become like 13 by 3. So this is not an integer. So this cannot be a solution. If you put 5 comma 7, so it will become like 12 by 3. So this is 4. So this can be a solution. If you put 9 comma 2, it will become like 11 by 3, this quantity. So this is fraction, so this cannot be the solution. So the only possible solution is there are 5 men and 7 women, and their children number is 4. So in this way you can find the number of women, which is 7. So in this way we can solve this. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next.